Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is really high mileage and it's taking me across the river. I think it said it was going like 9 miles. It's only one drink too, so most likely gonna be a no tip. I don't think I mentioned it, but Black Rock coffee. Sweet. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Now you'll be shocked when I tell you that there's at least 3 other Black Rock coffee locations closer. And of course that was a no tip. Did I call it or did I call it? Total for that one was $10. Why is there a train crossing? Please be a short one. Please be a short train. Okay, it's only a 2 thingy. What do you call them? I don't even know. Oh, there's got to be something wrong with this one. I might be really dumb for even giving it a shot, but we're doing it. This is another Black Rock coffee. $17 going 7 miles. Only one drink as well. What are the options here? 1, this order doesn't exist. 2, someone already picked it up and stole it. 3, it exists and it's just a no tip. What else? I think that's it.
There you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. This drink isn't even hot, so it must have been sitting there for a while. Okay, that order took 15 minutes from start to finish. So if it actually pays out what it showed me, that's over $1 per minute, which is really, really good. Ooh, it just updated, and the base pay on that one was $14 and change, which is super high. That tip could be around $4. I can see that. So this could be legit. Got this order right now, and we are right at the restaurant. So perfect timing, maybe? It's probably not ready though, so maybe not perfect. Got Red Leaf Organic Coffee. This one is going 3 miles. Oh, it's only one drink. This might be ready. All right, that only took a few minutes. Total for that one was just under $7. It was like $6.99 or something. Next order up is gonna be a Seize the Bagel. This one's going about 4.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yep, there you are.
Have a good day.
You too. For some reason, it didn't show me how much I got paid for that one, so I'll just throw it up on the screen right now. Got another terrible, terrible order, or orders, I guess. Got a Donut Nook and Black Rock Coffee. These are going like 9.5 miles. One of them is decent, but they stacked it with another one that is going back across the river again.
No, you're all good. All right, thank you.
Bro, why? Grubhub always does this. I'm in the middle of an order and they just try to give me a kitchen table cafe, $17 going 6 miles. Obviously I can't do that because I'm still picking this one up. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Both of those were no tips. Cool. Thanks for wasting my time, I guess. Total for those 2 was $12. I just got the tip in from that Uber and it was $4, so it was actually $18. Pretty good. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 4.5 miles. Yes, Steven?
For Steven? Okay, perfect. These are both of his bags.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This one is muchas gracias, $8, going about 3.5 miles. Thank you. Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a nectar juice bar, $9, going about 5 miles. Thank you. All right, and on that note, let's call it there. Current time is 8:49. Still really early, but I need to do some shopping before I actually go home. Total will be on screen right now. Today was a pretty decent day. Lots of high mileage, but I think it turned out okay. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.